look at the rotator cuff muscles which sit on the tuberosities. They are remembered by the mnemonic supraspinatus, infraspinatus, small t for teres minor, sit, a dash, because supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, they go on greater tuberosity, and then a small s after a dash, because subscapularis, they go on the lesser tuberosity. So I made a dash. Subscapularis is the internal rotator. The other three muscles are external rotator. So if I place the back of my hand over the lower back and try to lift it up, this is extreme of internal rotation called as lift-off test. Subscapularis. Where the other three muscles, they go for external rotation. One more catch here. Small t means teres minor. So that in exam, you don't get confused. So exam, you don't write preparation, you don't write mnemonic like this, sits. You also don't write mnemonic like this, sit dash s. You write mnemonic like this. Small s, subscapularis, small I, infraspinatus, small t, teres minor.